Hello, my cherished viewers. Today we'll be continuing with our series on how to start a farm in Ghana. Currently focusing on the rice cultivation. As you can see, it's one of our happiest moments on the farm, and if I must say that there are three moments in every farmer's life that he becomes very happy. And the first is when he sees that the seeds that he planted has started germinating, and then the second is when he is harvesting, and then the third one will be when he sells the final product to a consumer or a customer. Today is exactly 3 weeks when we did the broadcasting and then plowing of the rice, when we started the rice cultivation. If you haven't watched that video, you can go back, or you can click on the link on the top right corner of this video, and then go back and watch that before you come here, before you continue watching this video. It's absolutely beautiful when we visited the farm, and at this time I have also fly down to Ghana to see the farm myself, and it was really marvelous and very encouraging what I saw with my own eyes, how the rice was germinating, and almost all the field looks green. I'll keep quiet and then you listen to how happy we were when we visited the farm at the background. Yes, we were so happy. You could hear myself and the agronomist and my farm manager so happy to see what the rice was doing. We were so happy about it. All the field were looking really good. At this point, we have to take charge of the farm and make sure that the weeds that was growing, we will have to make sure we get rid of them. If you are able to manage these weeds really well, and then you allow your rice to dominate the weed growth, you wouldn't worry yourself in the future trying to manage weed in the rice farm. So we will be showing that in our next video. Kindly subscribe to this channel, and then click on the notification bell, and also like our video. We'll be bringing you more on this channel. Thank you very much.